time to clean. My makeup vanity is atrocious. Look at this. That is trifling. And y'all, even the lights on the top went out. The Christmas tree said, baby, call me when you clean, okay? What is up, guys? It is time to clean. Welcome to Vlogmas. In today's vlog, we are going to be cleaning. I need to clean. The last couple days have been super busy with the holiday season. I've had a couple influencer events as well as been invited to a couple restaurants for reviews. So I've been having to get dressed every day, get cute every day. And y'all, my makeup vanity is atrocious. Look at this. Look at that. That is trifling. So in today's vlog, we are going to be doing a deep cleaning of my makeup vanity. I'm not going to lie, y'all. It's not going to be too much going on in this vlog. We're going to put some music over it, and I'm going to get this clean and organized. So if you enjoy home content and just relatable grown woman vibes, then make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're going to jump into it. Happy Vlogmas. Happy and Merry Christmas to you and your family. And let's get the cleaning, because this going to make me have a panic attack. And at 40, hell no. We can't do that. Like, y'all, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Like, what the hell? What the hell? And one of my shelves fell off the wall. One of my shelves is gone. So, yeah, we got to do something with this. My Christmas tree is over here. And, y'all, even the lights on the top went out. That's how bad it look over here. Even the Christmas tree said, baby, call me when you clean. Okay? Let's clean it. Okay, y'all. So, the first thing I like to do is get, like, all of my curling irons and stuff like that. Child, this a mess. This a mess. I'm glad I made me a cup of coffee because I'm going to need it. I'm gonna need it bad.